What's up, everybody? Captain Hook at your service. Welcome back. Shout out to all my new subscribers. You guys are awesome. Much love to you. We hit just over 100 subscribers last week, and it really lets me know that you guys are liking what I'm doing, so I appreciate that. A couple videos back, I did an unboxing on this, and all the info on this and that video is in the description below. So if you guys want to check that out, you can do that after this video. So I figured out where I'm going to put this thing, and I'm going to show you how I do it. Just remember, the hardest part about doing anything is getting started. So let's get to it. Guys, I hope you liked that video. As always, thanks for watching. I really appreciate you guys. It's helping me out. I'm learning a lot. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Captain Hook.